Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to remove green tick from the desktop icons in a Windows 11 PC or laptop. On my PC, we find green tick on the all icons. This is the problem of the OneDrive and we are going to fix this problem. Go to your taskbar. On taskbar, here we find show hidden icons. Go to here and find OneDrive. If you not find OneDrive at here, then go to here. Here we find OneDrive. Click on this OneDrive at here. And here we find settings. Click on the help and settings. In help and settings, here we find pause syncing. Click at here. Here we find arrow. Click on this arrow. Here we find quit OneDrive. Click on the quit OneDrive. Quit OneDrive. And that's all. Our problem is solved. All green tick on our desktop icons are removed or gone from our Windows 11 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.